Are you here for an Uber?
Yeah.
What's your name?
Why?
Because I need to make sure you're my passenger. What's your name?
What's your name?
What's your name?
I'm waiting for Dylan.
Okay. Well, can you just confirm with me your name?
No.
Well, can you?
That's weird. I don't see.
Can I see your app and make sure you have the correct?
Yeah. Waiting for Dylan.
Okay. So you're Crystal.
Yes.
Okay. So, where are you headed today?
UCLA.
Okay.
Can I roll down the window? It smells in here.
Alright, no. Sorry. I, have this ear problem, and it, hurts my ears. Do you want the air conditioning? Actually, yeah, my air conditioning broke, so... It's not that far, though. I think it's only 30 minutes ride.
30 minutes is a long time. I'm gonna give you 1 star.
You're gonna give me a 1 star?
Yeah, your car smells.
Okay, well, that was the passenger before was probably smoking.
It was probably, you don't know?
Well, I don't know. I wasn't watching. Are you seriously gonna give me a 1 star?
Oh my god. No dogs.
Should I let you out?
I need to get to UCLA. Can you drive a little faster?
I can't speed. Are you serious? Okay, you're the worst customer I've had today. You know, I've been driving since 4:30 a.m. Are you wearing your seatbelt?
Why?
Because you're in my car.
I didn't know I had to wear it.
Are you not wearing your seatbelt?
No.
Alright, I'm just gonna pull over.
Why?
I'm not gonna drive you unless you put your seatbelt on.
Can't wear it right now. My back hurts.
Your
neck
back hurts? How does that have anything to do with your...
Because I can't really reach over right now.
Can you just... Do you need help putting on your seatbelt?
No.
Okay, well, I can't... I guess you can just get out, because I'm not going to drive you without a seatbelt on.
You're the first driver
that follows the rules? Yeah, probably.
Put this on.
I'm a 5-star driver.
Whatever, nobody else asks.
Is your seatbelt on?
Yeah, I put it on.
Okay.
I need to be there in 15 minutes.
Okay, well the GPS says 25 minutes, so
okay.
Good luck.
Good luck. Good luck to you. Because you need to get me there really fast.
Well, I can't. I'm an Uber driver. I have to follow the laws of the road.
Oh my god.
Maybe you should have planned earlier. No offense, but you ordered it.
If it didn't take so long to pick me up, I would be almost halfway there.
It took me 2 minutes to get you. You ordered it late, probably.
I ordered it on time, when I needed to. I know that for sure.
Okay, well next time just do it earlier, so I can have.
You're being a little rude, so.
I'm just trying to help you for next time. There's probably a reason why your passenger rating's at 3.5.
All the drivers I get are weird, so.
Well, have you ever thought that maybe it's not the driver, maybe it's actually you?
No, it's not me. I know for sure.
Yeah.
Everybody loves me. Can we go back real fast? I forgot something.
Back to your house?
Yeah.
What did you forget?
I just forgot some papers that I need to take.
Well, can we go to Office Depot and print them out there?
No, I need to get them from my house.
Okay, well, you're gonna be extra late. You're not gonna blame that on me, right?
Oh my god, really?
Can you go into your app and change the destination? Because
I don't know how to do that.
Do you need me to pull over again?
No, I need to get to where I'm going. Can you keep
Okay, so
driving?
we're gonna go back to your house.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm not gonna speed there though.
You're driving like, I don't know, I usually drive like 15 miles like faster than what you're driving right now.
Okay, well, I'm not gonna speed for you. Are you serious? So you're just admitting to you breaking the law. You know you're on camera, right?
You know, like people do it all the time. It's not that big of a deal.
Okay, well, people also get tickets all the time, and I don't.
Well, you're not gonna get a ticket today. Okay.
How do you know? Are you gonna pay for the ticket if I get one?
No, I'm not.
Exactly. Exactly. I'm an Uber driver. I'm not a rich guy. I can't afford to pay for speeding tickets. This is my only income right now. I just got fired.
Okay, why don't you get a new job?
I'm looking for one, but I just got fired.
Well, I mean, if you don't like driving, why do you do it? Like, this is your job.
I
to do
love it.
this?
I just, sometimes people like you make me question it.
I'm paying for this ride right now, so you need to follow, like, what I want. Okay?
Do you want to play the silent game?
It's customer service.
Do you want to play the silent game?
I'm fine. I don't need to be talking to you.
Okay.
Hey, girl. Oh my gosh, I'm in an Uber right now. They're being really slow. Like, I need to get to UCLA now.
Are you serious?
And
I'm right here. I can hear you talking.
Oh my gosh. This is like so annoying. Oh god, I'm gonna be so late.
You're the one who...
It's like,
Can I talk to your friend? Because you're not making any sense.
okay, I'm gonna call you later because this guy, he's not trying to talk to me. I don't even know. Look at him.
This is a joke.
We don't want to, I don't even want to talk to him.
Then
Like,
don't
can't
talk
they just
to...
like not talk in an Uber ride? Like sometimes like if we're in a ride, can't I just not talk to the driver? I don't want to be having a conversation with them.
You know what?
Ride. Okay, I'll talk to you later. Bye.
I'm sorry. I can't do this. I'm just going to let you out here.
You can't just let me off.
You can go to this... There's a gas station around the corner.
No, you can't just let me. I'm a female. You can't just leave me right here.
You're a female?
Yes.
Are you also a feminist?
Not necessarily, but what I'm saying is that it's dangerous to leave me on the side of the road. You can't leave me here.
Well, I feel in danger you being in my car right now.
I'm not gonna get out.
You have to.
You have to keep driving.
No, I don't.
I am paying for this ride right now.
I'm an independent contractor. I'm not an
I'm
employee.
paying for this ride.
I can do whatever I want.
I need you to take me to UCLA. I need to be there really soon.
You can cancel it and try to get a refund, but I'm not driving you there.
No, you're gonna lose your job because I'm gonna let Uber know that you're dropping me off.
Go ahead.
In a neighborhood that I don't even know really well.
There's a gas station around the corner. You can go sit there and order a new ride.
I don't know who's gonna be there. I mean, I thought it was gonna be a safe ride.
Can you get out of my car now? I'm gonna
No.
call the police because you're not allowed to be in my car anymore. This is against my will.
I'm not gonna get out.
You have to get out.
Just take me to my location. It's not that hard.
Are you serious? Just get out. I'm an Uber driver, okay?
You're an Uber driver, so you need to take me to where I set the location to. I'm paying for this ride. I am paying
I'm
you
not
to drive me there.
No. Okay, well, you're being like a serious weirdo, so you need to get out.
That is rude. Like, I'm not being weird. You're just being a slow driver.
I'm driving the speed limit. If it says 30 miles per hour, I'm going no over 30 miles per hour unless this flow of traffic is going faster.
I'm just out of here. There. You're gonna lose your job.
Oh yeah. I'm reporting you.
Well, what else can we get?
Alright guys, that was obviously really fake. Oh, yeah. I'm a really bad actor. But I hope you enjoyed that video, guys.
That was fun.
You were like heated.
There's been some passengers I've had, you know? Not as bad, but you know.